Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi, welcome to the video. Just following on from a request from a much earlier video when I painted some red poppies in Remembrance, around the time of Remembrance Sunday, and there is a video on the channel already covering that, but someone asked me if I'd ever painted poppies in different colours and how that might work, so I just thought I'd do a quick visit and have a go. Let me know what you think and we'll see how we go. So I've got my encaustic card and my iron, and I'm going to put some background colour first. So I'm going to put some white and some lilac, would work nicely. I've just got some white and pastel lilac on my iron. I want quite a thick covering of wax on my card, so I'm just going to pop a little bit more. That'll be absolutely fine for what we want to do. So what I need to do is give my iron a quick clean with some tissue. So just take some tissue to the plate of the iron, just give it a rub over. Sometimes you get little bits of wax on the edge of your card. You can always just run the edge of your iron and your card like so. What we're going to do now is pick some colour in to make the flower. I'm going to try and do this in gold. Just something a little bit different. So I want to put quite a bit of gold on the front edge of my iron so it runs down the side like so. I'm going to take the cable, throw it over my arm, and then I'm going to pop that edge down. Hopefully you can see roughly what I'm doing. And then we're just going to work round in a circle type motion. We might end up doing a couple of these because they're smaller than the one I did before. The hardest bit with these is to get the iron back off without them. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. That doesn't look too bad. Right, let's do another one over here. See if we can get something similar going on over here. If we can get 2 or 3 of them. So I'm literally just like turning my card steadily, just not too fast. This one's got a bit like a snail shell. Little bit poppy-ish, not quite the same, but that's kind of fine. They definitely look floral. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to link them up with some stems just by drawing with the bits of wax we've got. I'm not too worried as to whether we can even pick up, look, the bits of gold that have dropped on the underneath paper. Down there. A bit more gold. Then some stems just going right off. You can always add some green and put a few leaves around as well. So just similar place. Just do one or something at the bottom. Just lay that in and just edge it round a little bit. Come off in a sort of leaf type shape. Do another one there if we've got enough green. Just put 2 leaves at the bottom, or leaf type shapes. Just spin that round so you can see it better. Just using the iron. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. It's just something a little bit different. And take care. Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Happy painting, everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.